Alright, so as the title of the video said, we are going to a car show. Woohoo! Eva's first ever car show. Finally, I finished building this car, I think beginning of this year or last year or whenever I finished this car up. But I just finished the break-in on the car. I did all the valves, I did everything with it. I changed the fuel system up a little bit so it should run a little better now. I still think I have to get it professionally tuned because it's still giving me a little bit of a sputter, but we're gonna try it out. We're gonna drive out to Northpole and we're gonna do like a Santa cruising car thing. There's like a big market out there and a ton of other cool cars out there that you're not gonna see in a lot of other places. And it's kind of just a unique place. Like Northpole is a really unique place. I really enjoy it, and you know, we can give a little bit of a tour with the car. If she's running good enough, I can take you on a little tour. We'll see if she's running good enough. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and obviously stay tuned for the build. It's coming. It's a lot of work, so it'll get there. It's just taking me some time. But yeah, all right, let's go to our first ever car show. The cool thing about this car, oh goodness, is the fact that it feels like you're in a full-on like race car. A lot of people say it looks like a Porsche, which if you look at it, I guess it kind of looks like a Porsche, maybe, but yeah, no, I'm super excited to take this out to Northpole, and we're gonna go to our first ever car show. Let's go see how well this goes. We're gonna get gas first because we have absolutely no gas in this thing, but let's see if she starts first of all. She is cold. Sounds like she's misfiring pretty bad. Might just be because she's cold, but the thing with the old carbureted cars like this is you gotta let them warm up quite a bit before you start driving, especially this one. She's cranky. I don't understand why. I really don't, and she's been just not happy. Like, I've been trying to tune her, I've been trying to get it right. Like I rebuilt this motor a little bit ago. I got it broken in. I just adjusted the valves. I got everything working for the most part, and I'm just not sure why she's not running perfect. Like I said, she's running a lot better now that she's gotten a little warmed up. I mean, you can still hear it, that like sputter, like she's not running smooth. Something's not firing correctly, and I don't know what it is. I can't figure it out if it's the timing, or if it's just because she's cold, or what it is exactly. So with some time, I think I'll figure it out, I hope, but we'll see. All right, well, she seems to be doing okay. Nothing super crazy. I hope you guys can hear me. I don't know if you guys can even hear me. The car's kind of loud, but hopefully we're gonna make it all the way to North Pole. We'll kind of see here in a second if that's going to be possible. And so far so good. She backed out of the driveway. Last time I drove this car, it quit in the driveway on me. There it is. See? She quit on me as soon as I left the driveway. So annoying. We barely left the driveway. She's already being temperamental. I don't even want to do this. This is dumb. I don't know why I'm doing this. It's running so bad. A car that I'd like to drive like all the time. Actually, I'd really like to see her out and about a lot more. And I'd like it to be not like a voyage to take her out, right? Like, oh, am I gonna make it home today? Here's the highway. Let's see how bad this thing goes, huh? Speed limit 65. Let's see if I can get up to it. Going a lot smoother. didn't know. Have you ever registered for it or anything?
Okay.
I'm just kind of showing up.
I don't know.
There was no information for it, so I was just showing up.
Well, you want hold right here?
Right here by this one here?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. $20, right?
I have no idea. See the tent that's right there, the first tent?
First 10.
Okay, see the yellow beetle bug right there?
Yep,
right,
beetle bug. Yep.
The tent right across the street from there.
Yep, you want me to park?
That's registration tent. Just park.
Registration?
I would just park right here because it's Canadian.
Okay, I'll park right there and then I'll go register.
Okay.
Alright, thank you. I have no idea what I'm doing. We'll get registered. All right, here's our car at the car show. This thing's gotten a lot of attention, actually. A couple people figured out what this thing was, and they were like super impressed on how rare the car was. But like, I'm more interested in what I parked next to me. Well, what I parked next to. Look at this thing. Just like some Alaskan, like old model. I don't know if it's a Model T or Model A or what it is exactly, but it's super cool. Got the moose things up on top too. This thing's super neat. This super rare Jaguar here too. This thing looks so cool. That's a really, really nice car, and it's also probably so expensive. That thing. It's a drag lake. Beautiful Super Bee here. Just think, these are the cars I gotta compete with. There's no way I'm winning this thing. So big. That is awesome. Entered a giveaway. It's $20 for 5 tickets to try and win that car. So hopefully win that car. It'd be kind of cool, little neat car to have. You don't see every day, a nice 69 Charger and then a little red express truck. It's pretty neat. I don't know why that's not in the car show, but that's kind of cool. Good old World War II Jeep. Beautiful Supra here. One of these things, little Ford trucks. Nice R33 Nissan. Beautiful right-hand drive 300Z. Little Godzilla in there. Little Godzilla. It's a big old 70 something. That thing looks cool. I think it's 77 or 73. That thing's pretty neat. I brought another one. He's got 2 of these things. These are beautiful old Jags. That thing is built to be like a little Toy Story car. That thing's kind of cool. Our car here, which is, you know, looking super beautiful. Then there's this Hemi Cuda that pulled up too. Look at that thing. You got this old like ambulance. You got that old truck over there, old Ford. That thing looks beautiful. All right, so we had a fun time out here at the car show. I want to thank you guys for actually putting this on. It was a lot of fun. See Santa Claus over there. We didn't have anything crazy going on. We met a lot of people. I actually had some guys that saw me on the YouTube channel come out and say hi to me, and some kid called this car a Miata. They were like, it's got the flippy doors, it's a Miata, and they were freaking out about it, and I didn't have the heart to tell them it wasn't a freaking Miata, but it was really funny. So, but yeah, no, it was a good car show. I really enjoyed it. We're gonna drive around a little bit. It's starting to rain, so I'm probably not gonna stay too long or do anything crazy. But yeah, we're gonna head out. Alright, we're gonna go on the highway again. Santa Claus. Beautiful Eva. Santa Claus house is over there. Beautiful car. It was a beautiful day. It's starting to rain out now, but yeah, it was pretty cool for my first car show. I've never really been to one, and it was really cool to see people actually admiring the car and love it as much as I do. All right, thanks for whoever came out to the car show. I really appreciate it. You guys were super awesome. I met a few people that were actually knew me off of YouTube and were, you know, asking me questions about the YouTube and all the stuff I have planned and everything. It was super, super cool, and I was really, really happy with it. And I should be out at a few more this year. So if you guys want to see the cars or meet me or anything, I'll be at a bunch of car shows this year, hopefully. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I always appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time.